Next, we are going to look at how you can use the My Groups function to set up groups so you can organise your references. This is particularly useful if you are using your library for all your research, as we recommend. Your groups are listed under the My Groups area. To add a group, you can either right-click on My Groups, or you can come up to the the Groups menu and go to Create Group. This will be the same for a Mac. You can then just add the name of your reference group that you would like to use. And to add references to a group, you just need to highlight them. You can either drag and drop, or you can right-click and use the Add References To. This Add References To option is also available in your References menu. Groups menu, I'm sorry. EndNote gives you the ability to also access and set up what it calls group sets. So this is where you can set up a group that has subgroups, basically. Again, this time you can either right-click or use the Groups menu, but access the Create Group option. Give your group set a name, and this is just a heading at this stage. Then to create the subgroups, either right-click or go to the Groups menu and choose Create Group. And then you can create as many subgroups as you like by right-clicking on the group heading. And once again, to add references to those groups, go back into your All References and select the ones you want. You are able to add the same reference to multiple groups. Also note that this is purely a copy of your reference information. It does not move your references from the All References group. If you're curious about which groups a particular reference is in, you can highlight the reference, come up to the References menu, and go down to Reference Summary. And in the bottom here, you can see Custom and Smart Groups, and this particular reference is in discussion. So that's how you can use groups to organise your references.